Hello, health enthusiasts and fitness warriors. Have you ever wondered if the secret to truly unlocking your peak performance, boosting your energy levels, and accelerating your recovery isn't found in a fancy supplement store, but perhaps in the most humble corners of your local grocery store? Forget the hype, the complex diets, and the expensive powders. Today, we're diving deep, backed by solid scientific evidence, into 3 natural superfoods that every single person who moves their body, from the seasoned athlete to someone just starting their fitness journey, absolutely needs to integrate into their daily routine. Get ready to be amazed, because what you're about to learn could truly revolutionize your training. Before we jump into these powerful natural allies, let's set the stage. Our mission here is to empower you with knowledge that's practical, affordable, and scientifically sound. We're cutting through the noise to bring you actionable insights. So, if you're ready to transform your body from the inside out, fueled by nature's finest, do us a favor. Hit that like button right now to show your support. Subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly dose of science-backed nutrition hacks. We're building a community of informed, healthy individuals, and we want you to be a part of it. Let's talk about our first superstar, the enigmatic, incredibly potent acai berry. Native to the Amazon, this small purple fruit has gained global fame, and for good reason. But here's the crucial distinction. We're talking about pure acai, not the sugar-laden, syrup-heavy bowls often found in cafes. When consumed in its unadulterated form, acai is a powerhouse of sustained energy. It's rich in complex carbohydrates and healthy fats, providing a steady release of glucose into your bloodstream, which makes it an exceptional pre-workout fuel. Imagine powering through your toughest training sessions without energy crashes. That's the acai difference. But its benefits extend far beyond just energy. Acai is an extraordinary source of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds are your body's frontline defense against oxidative stress, a natural byproduct of intense exercise. When you work out, your body produces free radicals, which can damage muscle cells and impede recovery. The antioxidants in acai act like tiny warriors, neutralizing these free radicals and significantly reducing muscle soreness and inflammation post-exercise. A compelling study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry demonstrated that regular consumption of acai led to a noticeable reduction in markers of muscle damage after strenuous physical activity. This isn't just anecdotal, it's scientific validation of acai's recovery power. So, how do you incorporate pure acai into your routine? A smoothie with unsweetened acai pulp, a few berries, and a plant-based milk can be a fantastic start. Tell us in the comments below, how do you enjoy your acai? Moving on to our second unsung hero, an everyday fruit that most people take for granted, the humble banana. This yellow wonder is much more than just a convenient snack. For anyone engaged in physical activity, the banana is a nutritional goldmine. Its primary strength lies in its carbohydrate content, offering a mix of quick-digesting sugars like glucose and fructose, and slower-digesting starches, especially when it's slightly green. This makes it an incredibly versatile fuel source. Need an immediate energy burst for a sprint or a heavy lift? A ripe banana is your go-to. Need sustained energy for a longer run or cycling session? A less ripe banana provides a more gradual release. Beyond carbohydrates, the banana is famously rich in potassium, a vital electrolyte. During intense exercise, especially in hot conditions, we lose electrolytes through sweat. A drop in potassium levels can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and impaired nerve function. Consuming a banana helps to replenish these lost electrolytes, maintaining your body's delicate fluid balance and preventing those dreaded mid-workout cramps. The World Health Organization, WHO, consistently advocates for the daily intake of fruits like bananas as a cornerstone of a balanced diet, emphasizing their role in overall health and disease prevention. Its affordability, portability, and natural sweetness make it an ideal pre, during, or post-workout snack. Think about it. No fancy packaging, no complex ingredients, just pure, natural fuel. Are you underestimating the power of the banana? If you want more tips on how to maximize your nutrition without breaking the bank, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Finally, let's shine a spotlight on a vegetable that often flies under the radar, but holds incredible performance-enhancing potential: beetroot. This vibrant root vegetable is a game changer, especially for endurance athletes, but its benefits extend to anyone looking to improve their athletic capacity. The secret lies in its high concentration of dietary nitrates. When you consume beetroot, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide. And why is nitric oxide so important? It's a powerful vasodilator, meaning it helps to relax and widen your blood vessels. This leads to improved blood flow, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to be delivered to your working muscles more efficiently. What does this translate to in practical terms? Enhance performance and reduce fatigue. With better oxygen delivery, your muscles can work harder for longer before succumbing to exhaustion. Researchers at the University of Exeter conducted groundbreaking studies demonstrating that beetroot juice consumption can increase exercise endurance by up to 16%. That's a significant boost, almost like unlocking a hidden superpower within your own body. Imagine those extra reps, that extended run, or that stronger finish, all fueled by a humble vegetable. Beyond performance, beetroot also contributes to lower blood pressure and improved cardiovascular health, making it a true all-rounder for overall well-being. Have you ever tried beetroot juice before a workout? What was your experience? Share your thoughts below. Your insights could inspire someone else. So, there you have it. 3 incredibly powerful, natural foods: acai, banana, and beetroot, each with unique, scientifically proven benefits that can elevate your athletic performance, accelerate your recovery, and significantly improve your overall health. These aren't just trendy fads. They are fundamental components of a smart, evidence-based nutritional strategy. Which of these natural superfoods are you already incorporating into your daily routine? Or which one are you most excited to try first? Remember, consistency is key. Small, informed changes in your diet can lead to monumental results in your fitness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video, where I'll be revealing a common yet often overlooked mistake in post-workout nutrition that might be sabotaging all your hard work. If you found these practical, science-backed tips valuable, hit that subscribe button for more content every single week. We're here to help you unlock your full potential. Leave your questions, your success stories, and your topic suggestions in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and keep filling your body the right way. We'll see you in the next video.